Have you ever thought about making money for your business using the powerhouse that is Amazon? In this video, I'm going to be discussing exactly how much money we're making using Amazon and how we've done it in the last few months. I'm going to bring on Dom, who's my head of digital marketing, to discuss it with me. If you're passionate about growing your business, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can keep you updated on how to grow your business with great new content. As we're trundling through this video, if you've got some questions about Amazon and how we're making money or losing money on Amazon, please hit them in the comments below and we'll do our very best to answer. And here he is. So Dom, let's get straight into it, talking about Amazon. We got on Amazon the 11th of May. How long did it take us to get on Prime?
We're Prime straight away.
Straight away. We worked really hard to get Prime straight away because, like many of you are probably Amazon users, if it ain't on Prime, you ain't buying. So we've done a load, we had to send company accounts in and trademark, didn't we? We had to get all the trademark proofing. So we've done all of that. But can you tell us how much money have we sold worth of product, or how much product have we sold in monetary terms since when we kicked off on the 11th of May?
Gross sales is £15,972.
It's not great, is it, in our whole organisation? I suppose lockdown really forced us to think about this business was mainly a business-to-business business. We sell teddy bears. We've made over 1 million teddy bears, and it's teddy-tastic that we're selling on Amazon. And we sold them all wholesale, but no one was buying. Our shops had shut because of the lockdown. So we thought, right, we've got to shift some of our £500,000 worth of stock that we were sitting on. Just talk us through Amazon. You pay a fee, don't you, to sell every time you sell?
Correct.
Which is about 15-16%, isn't it? Amazon swipes 15-16% from every sale you do. But additionally, you can pay for like Google PPC, but Amazon PPC.
Correct.
To get your products shown. So out of that 16 grand, what have we spent on ads?
£5,237.
And their fees, we think are...
Well, 16% of that.
What's that? So that's like nearly 2 grand in fees of the 16,000, isn't it?
Yes.
2 grand in fees on the 16,000 plus 5,237 of the ad spend. We've got about 8k left. Pay DPD and Royal Mail to send all the products.
Well, DPD was more expensive to begin with. Transitioning to Royal Mail, which worked out about £2 cheaper per parcel.
Basically, it all works out that basically Amazon make the lion's share of everything. And by the time we've actually got the product and the cost of the products, we're in a break-even position, or maybe a small loss, are we? I don't know.
I think last time we checked it was break-even.
I think when we add in all of our warehouse costs and our time, effort and energy, we're definitely into a loss-making position. So it's 39% right now of our ads,
Yeah, so our total advertising cost of sale started out at 39%. We're now down to 34%.
And how have we got that down by?
So that's optimising our PPC accounts, or campaigns, optimising our listings, looking at the offering of the bear, just listing a bear as a bear. We're talking about how the bear can change a child's life. Yeah. You spend a lot of time on that, haven't you? Yeah. Molly, who's been working for us a long time, she's now full-time on this, trying to update the listings. We spent a fortune on photography as well. We sat with a photographer getting all of this stuff. But what do we need to get it down? You said that, I think you got a figure of 15% in it. The aim is 15%, so you're looking at £3 per sale, but ideally you want it below that.
And I think it's interesting to say as well, Amazon advise you, if you're going to sell stuff on Amazon, they say that you should allow for 20% of your total sales value to be reinvested into them in ad spend. Do you know that? Yeah, Jenks, who's our commercial director, said that Amazon advised that 20% of anything you sell should be reinvested back into Amazon advertising.
Well, they would, wouldn't they?
Yeah, well, they would, wouldn't they? But if anyone is wondering why Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world, this video is a window into their business model. They take 16% of selling commission, then they're taking a huge amount. They're taking nearly 40% of our revenue on ad spending as well. Are we going to carry on with it? And I think the answer is yes. The reason is we're trying to get reviews, aren't we, as well? Because we think that will increase our sales.
Definitely. I think we're trying to compete with the sellers that have been on there for years.
Yeah.
So coming in as a new fish.
It's weird. I always think it's like buying a house. You know, you buy a house, you don't make any money in year one, but if you keep your house for 10 years, on average, property doubles in value every 10 years in the UK. I still massively believe, like me making YouTube videos, I've been doing it like 3.5 years now, but at year 10, I really think we're going to have a real valuable asset. And I think the same is for this Amazon thing. If we keep going at it for 10 years, I mean, I think we will start seeing better results in the next 3 months than the whole of the 6 months before us.
And obviously we're going into the Christmas period now.
Yeah.
Which will obviously help with sales.
And we've got no previous data, have we?
And then we're not doing variations on bears either, so we haven't tapped into that market yet, where people want to add a jumper or a bath robe to their bear.
How many products have we got on there?
I think it's about 57.
57, so just a shake under 60. Dom, if people are thinking about getting Amazon for their business, what would you advise them to do?
I would advise starting off with a small product base,
Yeah.
maybe 5 or less, to ease you in.
Yeah.
Think about what your product is offering to someone. So rather than just put up, I don't know, a kitchen knife, saying it's a kitchen knife, think about why that kitchen knife is the best possible kitchen knife on the market. So giving a reason to purchase rather than just...
Yeah, I've come up with 4 things that would be my top tips for getting involved in Amazon. Make sure you got a niche. Don't try and compete with someone that's doing it in a big way. Make sure so riches in niches. I don't know whether if you're doing a yoga mat for people that do speciality yoga, but there's a huge audience for it. Make sure there's a hungry audience for the niche product that you choose. Because a hungry audience always makes a business better. And I think more than any business I've been involved in, remember we make these teddy bears. We are the sole. We own everything. We're making it at source. So if you was wholesaling and buying it from us to sell on Amazon, I don't see how you can make any profit. So you need to make sure you've got real, strong, meaty margins, because without margin, Amazon will absolutely chew you up and you would just be doing it to turn money and I think lose money. I would also connect with someone that's doing Amazon really well and try and learn from them. I think that's really important. And I think photos and descriptions and reviews, are the key to doing it. And I think you've probably got to give it 12 months, haven't you, before you can really start seeing fruits of your labour.
Obviously, you mentioned about connecting with someone. You can find hundreds of thousands of videos online. Find one that suits you and just follow their advice.
So, has Amazon worked for your business? Please let us know in the comments below. This is a quick video to help you understand the results on what we're doing with Amazon. In the video link description, I'll just list it out on what we spent, what we're selling on there with some links to our Amazon account. We'll put that all in there for you. Please go and have a look at that, because I do think Amazon can work for your business. And we've had some little glimmers of success, but I think you've definitely got to give it time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking here. And if you're serious about getting customers in other ways, watch this video here. See you soon. Bye-bye.